Speed of the boat in still water is 24 km per hour and speed of the current is 6 km per hour. The time taken by the boat to cover a distance of d minus 166 km upstream is 1 hour more than the time taken by boat to cover a distance of d minus 40 km in downstream. Find the time taken by the boat to cover a distance of d plus 50 in downstream and upstream. Both are okay. First, what the boat speed is given? 24. What the current speed? 6. Then downstream speed 30. Upstream speed 18. But here upstream time compared to downstream time, how many hours are more? 1 hour more. Then we return d minus 166 upstream distance. What is the upstream speed? 18. Next, what is the downstream distance? d minus 40. What is the downstream speed? 30. 24 plus 6. How much? 30. These two difference equal to how many hours? 1 hour. Simplify this one, we are get the d value. What is the LCM of 18 and 30? 90. 18 how many times? 5 times. 1 will be 5d. 30 means 3 times. 5d minus 3d 2d. 18 5 times means 166 also 5 times. 166 5 are 830. Next 33 is 120. Negative of negative positive. 1 is minus 830, another one plus 120. What is the difference? 710. Negative 710, it will become right hand side positive 710. Already right hand side, left hand side denominator 90, it will become right hand side positive 90. 710 plus 90, total it is 800. 2d equal to 800. What is the d value? 400. Next, what is the question here? Find the time taken by the boat to cover a distance of d plus 50 downstream and upstream. Both are d plus 50 means that is 450. It is covered with a speed of 18 plus 450 divided by 30. Okay. Required time are required. 9 how many times denominator? 2 times. 9 how many times? 450. 25 times. Sorry, 50. Means directly 2 how many times? 25 times. 30 how many times? 15 times. That 25 plus 15. 40 hours. Next 177. Train A of length 300 meters running with a speed of 90 km per hour crosses another train B of length 240 meters running in the same direction in 64.8 seconds. If train B can crosses the platform in 36 seconds, then what is the length of the platform? Train A length is given how much? 300 meters running with a speed of 90. Can crosses another train B of length 240 meters running in the same direction in how many seconds? 64.8. And here both are moving in which direction? Same direction. What is the relative speed? S1 minus S2. What is the S1 value? 90. S2 value? S2 or not? Kilometer per hour converted to meter per second multiplied by 5 by 80 means S2 in kilometer per hour or meter per second? Kilometer per hour. That is equal to total distance or not? Length of the first train plus length of the second train. What is the total length? 540 by how many seconds? 64.8. This one we written 648 by 10 multiplied by 10 or not? 5 how many times? 10. 2 times or not? 18 how many times? 64. 3 times again 6 times or not? 36 how many times? 540. 1 5 or not? 15 to the how much? 30. Next 90 minus S2 equal to 30, then S2 equal to 60 or S2 value 60 kilometer per hour. What is the question here? If train B can crosses a platform in how many seconds? 36 seconds. Then what is the length of the platform? Train B passes a platform means total distance are train length plus platform length. What is the train B length? 240 plus platform length PL. That is equal to speed into time. What is the speed of the second train? 60 into 5 by 18. How many seconds? 36 seconds. 18 almost 2 times. 5 to the 10 into 60 means 600. That 600 equal to 240 plus platform length. Then platform length are 360. Next question number 178. A and B enter into a partnership with 4,000 and 5,000 respectively. After 5 months, A invested 500 more and B withdraw 1,000. After how many months from the beginning of the partnership as C joined with an investment of 6,000 such that she share out of the annual profit of 14,050 is 3,600. First of all, what the A investment is given? 4,000. What the B investment? 5,000. After 5 months, A invested how much value or more? 500 more. But B withdraw how much? 1,000. How many months from the beginning of the partnership C joined an investment of how much? C joined an investment of 6,000. Finally, what is the total profit are given? 14,050. In that C profit is given how much? 3,600. C profit is 3,600 out of 14,050. What is the remaining? 10,000. 14,000 minus 3,600. 10,400 means 10,450. 10,450. That is the sum of the profits of which one? B, A and B are only A and B. Numerator which one profit? C. Denominator A and B profit. First, what is the C investment? 6,000. But C will be joined after how many months? After how many months from the beginning of the partnership C joined with her? Okay. Suppose total time period we are considered 12 months. C capital are used for 12 minus T or 12 plus T? 12 minus T or next. A capital is how much? 4,000. That 4,000 are used for after 5 months A invested how much? After 5 months A invested 500 more means 4,000 into 5 months plus how much value are added? 500 means it is 4,500 into how many months? 7 months. That is B value or A value? A value again plus what is the B investment initially? 5,000. 5,000 used for how many months? 5 months plus how much value are withdraw? 1,000. What is the remaining? 4,000 into how many months? 7 months. Okay. Numerator 6,000 into 12 minus T. Denominator 4,000 into 5 plus 4,500 into 7 plus 5,000 into 5 plus 4,000 into 7. In all the cases, 2 zeros are cancelled. 2 zeros are cancelled. 5 how many times? 16. 12 times. 5 how many times? 8. 5 here, 9 and 10 and here 8. Okay. Any other calculations? 12 how many times? 3,600. 300 times. Again numerator 0, denominator 0 cancel. Okay. 30, 15 multiple, 1045. That is 15 multiple. 15 6 are 90. What is the remaining? 14, 145. That is 15 multiple. No. 5 how many times? 6. 5 how many times denominator? 2, 0, 9. 209. What is the remaining value in left hand side numerator? 12 minus T. Denominator 8 into 5, 40. 9 into 7, 63. Total it is 103 plus 10 into 5, 50. 8 into 7, 56. 50 plus 56, 106. That is equal to 6 by which one? 209. Denominator 209, denominator 209. Both are cancelled. 12 minus T equal to 6. Then T equal to how many months? 6 months. Next question number 179. The number of students in sections A and B is 70 and 50 respectively. The average score of the students of section A in science is 60 and that of students in section A and B together is 50. What is the average score of students in section B in mathematics? First section A, how many students are there? 70. Section B, 50 students are there. What is the ratio? 7:5. What is the section A average? 60. Section A average 60. But we required section B average or not? But together average is how much? 50 or not? By using allegation, what is the difference between 60 and 50? 10 or not? 5 becomes double. Right hand side double means left hand side also double. 7 double how much? 14. 50 and 14. What is the difference? 36 or not? Means B average is how much? 36. By using allegation or not? Next question number 180. The shopkeeper sold a clock at 10% profit, another clock at 15% loss. If he sold both at 10% profit, then the profit will be increased by 300. What was the amount of profit or loss occurred in the initial selling if the cost price of the two clocks are same or different? Same. First of all, each one cost price are same or different? Same. First one cost price we are consider 100%. Second one also cost price are 100%. But the first one sold at 10% profit, means selling price of the first one 110. Second one 15% loss, means selling price 85%. What is the total cost price of two items? 200%. What is the total selling price of two items? 195%. Okay. For the next line, and then the profit will be increased by how many rupees? 300. What is the amount of profit or loss? One more line are given. If he sold both at 10% profit, then the profit will be increased by how much? 300. Already cost price 200. Already cost price 200. In that 200, how much percent are profit? 10%. 10% profit means selling price is 220%. 220%. What is the original selling price? 195. What is the new selling price? 220. How much value are increased? 25. The 25% equal to which one? 300. Profit are increased means selling price also increased or decreased? Increased. Selling price how much percent are increased? 25. But value is 300. Next, what is the question here? What is the amount of profit or loss occurred in initial selling or final selling? Initial selling or not? What is the initial selling price? 195. Means how much percent are loss? 5% loss or not? 5% loss or 10% loss? 5% loss. What is the 25% value? 300. What is the 1%? 12. 5% loss means 5 into 12. How much? 60 or not? Sold and then profit will be increased by how much? 300. If he sold both at 10% profit, nothing but new selling price is how much? 220. What is the original selling price? 195. How much percent are increased? 25%. Next 181. The average of 8 numbers is given how much? 16.5. When the first 4 numbers are divided by 2, their average becomes how much? 6. If the last 4 numbers are divided by 3, then what will be their average? Total how many numbers are there? 8 numbers are. Total how many numbers? 8 numbers are. The average of 8 numbers is given how much? 16.5. What is the sum value? 8 into 16, 8 into half or not? 8 16 is how much? 128. 8 into half means 4. That is 132 or not? That is sum of how many numbers? 8 numbers or not? When the first 4 numbers are divided by 2, their average becomes how much? 2. Means first 4 numbers are divided by 2. Means each number is divided by 2. We are get the average 6. After divide we are get the average or 6 means before divide 12 are A, B, C, D. Suppose the average we are consider X. Each number is divided by 2 means we are get the new average is how much? X by 2 or X? X by 2. In place of X by 2, how much value are given? 6 or not? Then X is how much? 12 or not? The 12 is the first 4 numbers average or not? First 4 numbers average are 12 means what is the first 4 numbers sum? 48 or not? 48. Out of 132 we are subtracting 48. What is the remaining value? 84. That 84 is the sum of remaining 4 numbers or not? Remaining 4 numbers. What is the next condition? If the last 4 numbers are divided by which one? 3. What is the last 4 numbers sum? 84. Last 4 numbers average? 84 by 4. What is the average value? 21 or not? Average is how much? 21. But the condition are given last 4 numbers are divided by which one? 3. Means each number is divided by 3 or not? Each number is divided by 3 means average also divided by 3. Then what is the new average? 21 by 3. What is the answer? 7 or not? I think question are easy. If you know the basic of average, the question are easy. What is the total 8 numbers or not? What is the 8 numbers average? 16.5. What is the sum value? 132. In that first 4 numbers, each one are divided by 2. We are get the average or 6 means before divide average value 12. Then sum is how much? 48. Out of 128, 132 we are subtracting 48. What is the remaining? 84. That 84 is the remaining 4 numbers sum or not? But average means how much? 21. Each number is divided by 3 means average also divided by 3. What is the new average? 7. Next question number 182. In mixture A, the quantities of dalda and oil are equal. In mixture B, the quantity of oil is 55% more than the quantity of dalda. These two mixtures are mixed up in equal quantities. The quantity of the final mixture is 816 liters. If the cost of the dalda is 94 rupees per liter and the cost of the oil is 115 rupees per liter. What is the question here? What is the total cost of the final mixture? First mixture A. Mixture A, dalda and oil. Dalda and oil are in which ratio? 1:1 or mixture B. Quantity of oil is 55% more than the which one? Dalda. 55% more means one is 100%, another one 155% or 100% means what are the parts? 20 parts. 100, 150, 5 or 5 how many times? 20. 5 how many times? 31 or what is the ratio? 20:31 or means dalda 20 parts, oil is 31 parts or oil is more than the dalda. Next line. These two quantities are mixed up in equal quantities or different quantities? Equal quantity. Means in final mixture, A is 1 part, B also 1 part or not. In final mixture, A X means B also X or not. And the quantity of the final mixture is how many liters? 816 or not. That 816 is the sum of the A plus B quantity or only A? A plus B quantity or not? A plus B quantity is how many liters? 816 or not? That 816 is distributed A and B equal quantity or different quantity? Equal quantity. These two are mixed up at equal quantities. Means A quantity and B quantity same or different? Same. First of all, 816 it is distributed equal value means what is the half of the 816? 408. A quantity 408, B quantity also 408 or not? Okay. In A, what is the ratio are there? 1:1. Total how many parts? 2 parts. 2 parts are 408. What is the 1 part value? 204. Another one? 204. Next, in second one, out of 408, what is the dalda and oil ratio? 20:31. Total 51 parts. How many times? 8 times or not? 28 is 160. 31 8 is 248 or 248. And if the cost of the dalda is 94 rupees per liter and cost of the oil is 115 rupees per liter, what is the total cost of the final mixture? What is the dalda total quantity? 364. Dalda total quantity 364. Oil total quantity 452. 364 liters and 452 liters. But dalda per liter value is how much? 94. Next, oil per liter value 115. We required together value of these two values are okay. 364 into 94 end with 6. 452 into 115 end with 0. 6 plus 0 means 6. Answer should end with 6. How many options? 2 options or only one? 2 options are first option and second option. 364 into 94. It is almost more than 36,000, nearby 36,000. 94 means it is considered 100 times. Then we are getting 364 into 94 means it is less than 36,000 or more than 36,000. Less than 36,000, but nearby 36,000 value means out of the two values, one value are nearby 36,000 means together must be more than 36,000. Then answer second one are possible or first one? First one. Next question number 183. If the present age of A is subtracted from the twice that of which one? B, and then C twice that of B, then C is obtained. A is subtracted from which one? Twice of B. Then we are get the which one? C value. Twice of B means we return 2B minus A, that is equal to which one? C value. That is first condition or second condition? First condition. What is the second one? The percentage of C is subtracted from thrice that of A. Means C is subtracted from thrice that of A. Means 3 times of A minus C equal to which one? B value. Next. What is the next line? What is the percentage of B? We required B percentage. If the average percentage of all the 3 persons is how much? 28. Means A plus B plus C, it is equal to how much? 84. 84. And first of all 2B minus A equal to C. Another one 3A minus C equal to B. These two are simplified. Written 2B minus A, it is equal to 3A minus B. In second one 3A minus B equal to which one? C value. Both are in equal or different? Equal. Simplify this one, we are get the 4A equal to how much? 3B. 4A equal to 3B. Then A by B equal to how much? 3:4. Means A represents how many parts? 3 parts. B represents 4 parts. Obviously we are get the C value. What is the C value? 2B means 8 parts. A means 3 parts. 8 minus 3, 5. Means C is how many parts? 5 parts. Okay. What is the sum of the ABC? 12 parts. What is the 12 parts value? 84. What is the 1 part value? 7. What is required? 4 parts. What is the answer? 28. Next question number 184. N men can complete a task in how many days? 28 days by working 1 hour a day. While 20 men can complete the same task in 42 days by working 2 hours a day. It will take how many days for n minus 10 men to complete the same task working only 42 minutes per day? First of all, n men can complete the work in how many days? 28 days. Per day how many hours are working? 1 hour. N persons 28 days per day 1 hour. Second time 20 men can complete the same task in how many days? 42 days. But per day how many hours are working? 2 hours. That is equal to 20 men into 42 days per day how many hours? 2 hours. Simplify this one, we are get the n value. 14 to the 14 3 the 2 to get cancelled. 3 into 20 60. N value are how much? 60. substitute the n value left hand side, we are get the total work. For the total work 60 into 28 into 1 hour, that is total work. Again the same total work is completed by n minus 10% or only n minus 10%. Out of 60, 10% are subtracting, or the remaining 50. That 50% per day, how many minutes are work? 42 minutes. 42 minutes means we return 42 by 60, because left hand side 1 hour, right hand side minutes means converted to hours into timer. Okay, both are equal or different? Equal. Both sides, here 0 0 cancel, 6 almost 7 times. 7 how many times? 4 times, again 5, 12 times, 12 for the 48. T equal to how many days? 48 days,